The tractors, or the racing tractors, are some pretty cool releases. We even got a mini tractor here, which is just one of the sickest mini releases ever. We got some racing ones. We got the M-Fast Fong, like, Rev and Go next gen tractor. We got the, of course, Bumper Save one. And we also got the Shiny Wax one. Coming soon, we're getting a Usine racing tractor and a Sputter Stop racing tractor. Now, of course, the Sputter Stop and Usine are already out, but I finally got my hands on a second Bumper Save one. And you guys don't know how long it actually took me to get hold of a second Easy Idle racing tractor. It took me forever. Like, I couldn't find it anywhere. I couldn't find one online. I couldn't find one on eBay for a decent price, because on eBay he's like £15, and I'm not paying £15 when you could buy him in stores for like £6.99. I'll pay like £9.99 for him, as that's max price, as you know, people want to go. But I won't pay £15 for a tractor. Anyways, guys, without further ado, I knock over the baby tractor. I'm so sorry. But yeah, without further ado, let's start off this review of the Easy Idle racing tractor. Now, I do love that artwork, but it's a shame that all the die-cast expressions are the same, except for, you know, the Shiny Wax one here. But here he is. We can see Easy Idle racing tractor, tractor die-cast Easy Idle, tractor die-cast Easy Idle, tractor macrotactor, lenta decolida. Don't even know what languages these are, except for this one, obviously. 3+ Mattel, you know, Ridge, you have to say that all the time. Love the artwork, it looks sick, it actually does. New for 2021, of course, Cars logo, metal. Take a closer look at him in a second. Here's the back, of course, other Cars, incorrect spoiler logo of JD. Different variant of Taco. Pretty cool. Yep, I'll be right back with this one all opened up. And now we're going to ×2 speed. So here he is, all opened up, and actually looking at him right now, he is my third favourite tractor. Of course, my first favourite one is the Sputter Stop, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and then baby one is, of course, my favourite. Yep, without further ado, let's start this review. Of course, he's got that nice smiling expression. It does look like he has a different, like, eye expression to all the other tractors. You can see Bumper Save. The Shiny Wax one is clearly the different. We got, because this one, and we got M-Fast Fong, which is pretty cool and funny. But yep, here's the review. We got the, of course, smiling expression here. We've got the stack, or the smokestack, whatever you call it, if you're a fan of a tractor or know what a tractor is. Easy Idle on the hood, because, you know, Harvey Rodcap has the Easy Idle logo there. 15 on the hood in this blue, which is actually incorrect to his die cast. Should be grey, and then the number should be blue. Got the pity arrow here. You can see the insides like we always do on all the tractors. Pretty cool. Here's the back, rookie racing stripes, which I find hilarious. Easy Idle, 15 rookie stripes. Got the udders here for the base, made in week 42 and in Thailand. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Here are the two Harvey Rodcaps, you know, the China and Thailand one, the metallic China from the exclusive pack, and then this one. So we put him here and here. Here are all the tractors now. No memory lane today, guys. Got another video to record and upload. Let me know what your current favourite tractor is. Of course, mine's the Sputter Stop one currently. Yeah, if you're new, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification down below. Until the next one, peace, guys.